Lincoln, what's up on the table? What's it? Lincoln.
What do you want to eat, Lincoln?
What are these, Lincoln? Beans.
Okay, let's get up and eat them. He's been carrying this can of kidney beans around all day long. He thinks he wants to eat them, so let's see.
Beans. Kind of slimy, huh? Yum, yum.
Maybe that was just a fluke. Try another one.
Maybe the next one's yummy, Lincoln. Oh, beans. I thought you were yummy.
Need some drink to wash that down. Oh, Lincoln.
Okay, next one, Lincoln.
Try another bean. More, please. More beans. You want more beans?
My beans yucky.